When you drop an object, it falls to the ground. What pulls the object down? The Earth you live on is a large object with a lot of mass. Objects with large mass, such as Earth, cause strong forces of gravity. All objects, even pens and pencils, cause forces of gravity. Objects with small mass cause very weak gravity, so we do not notice them. The force of gravity from an object acts towards the center of the object. That means the object falls in a line that points towards the center of the Earth. The strength of gravity decreases as you go further from a large object such as Earth. So on a spacecraft far from Earth, gravity from Earth is smaller. The force of gravity on an object is called its weight. Weight is a force and it is measured in newtons, N. The weight of an apple is about 1 N. You need 1 N to hold it. A weightlifter holds much more. Their muscles pull against gravity. When a book rests on a desk, gravity pulls it down. The desk pushes up with an equal contact force, so the book does not move through the desk. If weight is larger than the contact force, the surface can break or the object sinks. Now let's compare weight and mass. Mass is the amount of matter measured in kilograms. Mass does not change. Weight is the force of gravity measured in newtons. On Earth, gravity is about 10 newtons per kilogram, so W equals M times 10. For example, someone of mass 45 kilograms has weight 45 times 10, which is 450 newtons. If a games console weighs 28 newtons, its mass is 28 divided by 10, or 2.8 kilograms. Remember, mass stays the same, weight depends on gravity.